What's up everyone, it's a simple dad. So Samsung has been quietly upgrading One UI again, and this time it's all about smarter network control and better focus tools. So in One UI 9, we've got some really useful network features that help you monitor your internet, control distraction, and manage how apps connect online. So let's break down the three most useful ones that you should know about. So have you ever been downloading something or streaming a video and thought, is my internet slow or is the app just being annoying? So instead of guessing or running a speed test every single time, Samsung now gives you a live answer. So with the network speed indicator, your phone shows a real-time upload and the download speed directly in the status bar. So once enabled in your settings, you can see a small live number updating constantly while you use your phone. So this works on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, so you always know what's happening with your connection. No need for third-party apps or a speed test anymore. So let me show you how to enable this. So to enable this, go ahead and open up your GoodLock app. Now in GoodLock, scroll down and find Quick Start, switch the feature on, and then tap on visibility of indicator icons. Tap on this. Now from here, you want to find network speed. Go ahead and turn this feature on. So as it reads, it shows network speed indicator. So now once you turn it on, you'll see the network speed right here next to your Wi-Fi symbol. So you get instant visibility of your internet speed without opening anything extra. Now this is where things get interesting. Samsung has combined several smart network controls into one powerful tool called AI Network Guard. So let's say you're trying to focus, but your phone keeps pulling you into social media, or maybe your games keep running ads and background connections, or you just want certain apps to stop using the internet completely during work hours. Before, you didn't have much control. Now you do. So with AI Network Guard, it gives you advanced control over how apps use the internet, and it's more flexible than ever. So let me show you how to enable this. So to enable this, go ahead and open up settings, scroll down, find connections, then tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on three dots, and then tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap on this. This will come to this menu here. Now here you need to enable connectivity labs. If you don't have this enabled, tap multiple times on intelligent Wi-Fi until you see connectivity labs appear. Tap on this, scroll down all the way, and here you'll find this new feature called AI Network Guard. So this will block applications and all related domains. Tap on this. And now here you need to go ahead and first set a PIN to manage your restrictions. So I've already set my PIN. Now I'll tap on manage restrictions. So first here, you can go ahead and restrict specific app network connection. So you can completely block selected apps from accessing the internet. They'll still be installed, but they won't be able to receive or send data. So this is perfect for apps you want to freeze online. So to do this, just tap on restrict apps. Find your app, tap confirm, and now that app has been added to that currently restricted list. So I have Google Chrome and Leica Mobile UK. Now, second feature is where you can set a downtime. So you can schedule a time period where app loses network access automatically. So for example, no social media during work hours, no games after bedtime, focus mode during studying time. So once the schedule kicks in, apps are cut off automatically. So to access this, go ahead and tap on the three dots, tap on advanced settings, and then find downtime. Tap on this, turn it on, and go ahead and set your start time and your end time. And once you've set that, all the apps will have the downtime. Okay. Now the third feature is where you can restrict only browser access. So this is a smart one. You can allow apps to work normally, but block them from opening browser links or web-based content. So the app runs, but it can't push you into an external website or ads. So to enable this, go ahead and tap on the three dots again, advanced settings, and find restrict browser. So all currently installed browsers, as well as any newly installed ones, will be automatically restricted. So turn the feature on. Now feature number 4 is restrict only games mode. So you can isolate gaming apps by limiting their network behavior. So this helps reduce ads, background downloads, and online interruption when needed. So here you have the restrict games feature. So this will be applied to all the currently installed games and all the new ones. Go ahead and turn this feature on. So now the biggest benefit of AI Network Guard is control. So you decide which app connects, when they connect, and what kind of internet access they get. So it's like having a smart firewall built right into your Samsung phone. So those are the three powerful new network features in One UI 9.0. Network speed indicator for real-time internet tracking, AI Network Guard to control and schedule app connectivity. Small features, but they make a big difference in focus, privacy, and daily phone use. Now I want to hear from you guys. Which feature are you looking forward to use first? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Samsung tips and One UI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.